Hi everyone, welcome back to my page again. Another day, another site tour today here at Xavier Heights, Cagayan de Oro, Uptown. This property is 137 lot area. It has two bedrooms and one toilet and bath. So gusto ka makita ang sulod? Tara. Okay, so let's go inside. Pagsulod nato, you'll immediately notice nga luag kaayo ang sala. Perfect siya for family bonding, relaxing, or kung naa kay mga guests nga moanha. And one thing I really like about this house is ang spacious layout. Yes, dili siya huot tan-awon. This house has two bedrooms, and let's check out the master's bedroom. As you can see, dako-dako gid ang master's bedroom, so you'll have enough space for your bed, cabinets, and other things you want inside your room. Very comfortable and private. And sa bathroom, na po siya naka-install nga hot and cold shower, no? So, very nice. So, luag gid ang yang space. Ma-maximize gid nimo. And aside from that, naapo tay kitchen diri, no? Guwapa ang kitchen. And we have the second bedroom, which is perfect for your kids, guests, or even a home office, depending on your needs. So if you're looking for a home in a prime location sa Xavier Heights Uptown, kaning property is definitely worth checking out. So if you're interested in this property, send direct message for faster transaction. Thank you.